Tired of watching others make money online while you're stuck? In this video, I'll show you 8 real ways to start making money online, even if you have zero skills or experience. These aren't boring surveys or penny apps. These are proven business models that have made people thousands, even millions. I'll break down each one step by step so you can copy what works. Stay till the end. Number 5 is the secret full-time creators use to make money while they sleep. This is the video I wish I had when I started with nothing. Ready to stop scrolling and start earning? Let's get this money. Hit subscribe so you never miss these money-making tips. Let's go. First up, the fastest way to make your first dollar online, freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. No skills? No problem. If you can write an email or use Canva, you can start. Businesses need logos, video editing, social posts, and more, every day. Go on Fiverr, see what services are selling, and pick one you can learn fast. Create a professional profile, use a good photo, and model your gig after top sellers. Start with a low price to get your first reviews. Social proof is everything. Over-deliver on your first orders. Be responsive and polite. Once you have a few 5-star reviews, raise your prices. Eventually, you can outsource work to other freelancers and keep the profit. That's how you scale from solo freelancer to agency. All from your bedroom. Don't overthink it. Pick a simple skill, learn the basics, and launch your first gig tonight. Making your first $10 online is the hardest, but it's the most important. It's about building momentum. Prove to yourself that making money online is real. Your journey starts with that first gig. Method 2, affiliate marketing. It's passive income without your own product. You connect people with products, and when they buy, you get paid. Amazon, Nike, and thousands of companies will pay you for referrals. Pick a niche you care about. Fitness, tech, cooking, anything. Build a blog, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram around it. Create valuable content. Don't just spam links. For example, review coffee gear on TikTok, then link to your favorite products. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Step 1. Pick your niche. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Step 3. Create content consistently. Be authentic. Only recommend what you believe in. It takes time to build trust, but once you do, your old posts and videos can make you money for years. Do the work once, get paid over and over. That's true passive income. Start today. Google your niche plus affiliate program and sign up. Build your audience and let your content work for you. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate side hustle. Method 3, print on demand. Perfect for creatives who hate inventory. Design a t-shirt, mug, or hoodie. Upload it to Printify or Printful. Connect to Etsy or Shopify. When someone buys, the pod company prints and ships it. You never touch the product. Your job? Create cool designs and market them. No upfront inventory, no risk. You only pay after you get paid. Simple text designs sell. Think Dog Dad or Fueled by Coffee. Use Canva to make designs in minutes. Find trends on Etsy or Amazon, then upload your own spin. Build a brand around a niche. Nurses, fishing, teachers. Market with TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. The more designs you have, the more you can sell. Start your own clothing brand today. No inventory needed. Pod is a numbers game. Create, upload, repeat. Turn your creativity into cash. Number 4, digital products. Create once, sell forever. Ebooks, planners, guides, templates. Make it once, sell it endlessly. No shipping, no inventory, just pure profit after the first sale. Package your knowledge. Organizing, fitness, design, anything. Even a short, high-value ebook can sell for $10, $30. Digital products let you disconnect your time from your income. Brainstorm what you know that solves a problem. Check Etsy or Gumroad for ideas. Use tools like Canva or Google Docs to create your product. Don't aim for perfect, just finish and launch. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Stand Store. Promote with TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Show the transformation your product delivers. Digital products are the ultimate scalable business. Number 5, the secret of full-time creators' YouTube automation. Build faceless channels in niches like history, luxury, or meditation, using stock footage and voiceovers. You're the producer, not the on-camera talent. Hire scriptwriters, voiceover artists, and editors from Fiverr or Upwork. Manage the process, upload videos, and optimize for YouTube's algorithm. It's insanely scalable. Your team can make multiple videos a day. More videos equals more views, equals more ad revenue and affiliate sales. Pick a high CPM niche like finance or tech. Research viral video ideas, hire your team, and reinvest profits. Once monetized, channels can make thousands a month, and you can even sell them later. This is how you build a portfolio of automated channels for passive income. YouTube automation is a real scalable business. Start building your media empire today. Next up, online coaching and tutoring. People pay for personalized guidance and accountability. You don't need to be a world-class expert, just a few steps ahead. Teach guitar, fitness, college prep, whatever you know. Coaching pays more than ebooks. Charge $50, $100, or more per hour. Find clients through your social media or platforms like Wazant. Share tips, then announce you're taking clients. Focus on the transformation, not just the process. Play your first song in 30 days or lose 10 pounds without giving up pizza. Package your knowledge, help others, and get paid well. Coaching is a fulfilling, high-margin online business. Let's get hands-on, flipping. Buy low, sell high. Find undervalued items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online. Use your phone to check eBay prices and spot deals in real time. Look for easy-to-ship items with dedicated buyers. Vintage tees, games, collectibles. Presentation is key. Clean items. Take great photos, write honest descriptions. Negotiate when buying, price higher when selling. It's a true hustle, requires effort, but the thrill is real. Start small. Flip one item this weekend. Once you make your first sale, you'll see profit potential everywhere. Flipping is a classic side hustle, now supercharged by the internet. Turn your finds into cash. Last, dropshipping. Run an online store with zero inventory. When a customer orders, your supplier ships directly to them. You're the marketer and brand builder. Start with little upfront investment. Use Shopify and apps like Zendrop. Sell anything: gadgets, pet supplies, beauty products. The key is product research. Find a product with wow factor that solves a problem. Use TikTok trends and product research tools to spot winners. Market with short, engaging video ads on TikTok or Facebook. Dropshipping is competitive and fast-paced, but the upside is huge. Test products, ads, and audiences until you find what works. Scale hard when you find a winner. Many have built million-dollar businesses this way. Dropshipping is a real scalable business if you're ready to hustle. There you have it. 8 legit ways to make real money online in 2025. But information alone doesn't pay the bills. Action does. Pick one method and take your first step today. List your first gig, flip your first item, or outline your first digital product. The momentum from that first action is everything. Stop just watching. Start creating your own income. Let me know in the comments which method you'll try first, and don't forget to subscribe. Your future self will thank you. We're just getting